Hi guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's plan with me in my B6. So this is, I don't know if I've shown this one yet. I know I did in a haul, but this is what I'm currently using. This is a B6 spice pepper from FoxyFix. Got a fox and pit bow on the front, fox and pit bow on the side, just because when I'm not using these, I like to be able to see this on the spine. And I use inserts from JeseniaPrintables or the Planner Sophisticate on Instagram. I'll link her down below. It's been so long since okay, so I'll link FoxyFix. I will link FirandYew, which is who this is from. This just kind of Velcros on. My clips are from LittleMissDaisyRose. I will link her. And then Vanessa over at Prince VI made me both of the lavender and the like pearl colored bookmarks. But this one right here, which is actually Minnie Mouse, is from Knots at the Helm. So I'll link her down below as well. My tabs over here on the side, the ones that say daily, they actually have bows on them. These are from, I think, AshyLeighDesigns, or I think that, I'll link them down below and I'll put that they're the tabs. So yeah, I have not done a setup. Also, PlannerPress is this. I have not done a setup video on this yet, mostly because when I set up a planner, I don't do it the way most people do. I'll stick a couple things in, like this is a dashboard, obviously. I have some vellum, I've got some stuff back here, but I don't really go all out the way that a lot of people do with their planners. I can't, I don't know why, it's not something I like to do. I do like to just kind of buy, like these are from LaurenPhelpsDesigns, they're pre-laminated. You can also buy these pockets from her and stick stuff down in there. So that's pretty much the only thing I do normally. This is another one from her. Either that or I will use, like this is a Foxy dashboard and I just stuck something in it. This is also PlannerPress. I don't think she's gonna have these anymore, but it's where those are from. So yeah, I don't really go crazy with decorating, which is why I don't normally do setup videos. Anyway, moving on to the point of the video. So I am going to be planning in my weekly inserts. Like I said, these are from Jasenia over at the Planner Sophisticate. She has my absolute favorite inserts. And these are, I think they're all I use now. I don't think I have anything in here that's not from her shop. I don't know what this is that's happening. I've got a jump band here for some reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I'm just gonna kind of set this to the side. So these are the inserts that I have been loving from her shop for the longest time. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So these are a week on 2 page. I love how this is because I love that I can do the bottom washi. Saturday and Sunday is stacked. I don't really know that you can kind of get around that though in this size planner. So that is what I'm using for this week. These are the inserts that I've been using for months and months now. Before I used this one, I did use a different one from her shop, but I know it doesn't look like I've been using these for months, but there's not that many weeks in it. I can't remember the other ones that I used. Anyway, if you are looking for printables, I highly recommend Jasenia's shop. I love every single thing that she does. So I do have my sheet here from Rose Shadow Collection. This has got my plans for the week. And then I am going to be using our anniversary B6 kit. This is on glossy only because I still don't have premium matte done yet. We should be able to finish them up tomorrow and then we're gonna be shipping them. And then I'm gonna be doing some giveaways in the Facebook group, I think, because I didn't really get to during our anniversary sale. But yeah, so this is the format of the kit. And this was just the test print. But I should also mention, because this was the test print, these 3 boxes right here were messed up. I had to go back in and change it. And I could technically go grab one that is the correct thing, but to me it doesn't look different enough that it's really gonna throw anything off. But yeah, I did catch that before they went and started printing, so that's good. So let's get started with date covers and bottom washi. So I'm gonna go ahead and do bottom washi first, and I'm gonna stick this down decently far because I think I'm gonna do my glitter one right above it. There we go. And I'm just gonna do the glitter one on top. And that pretty much takes up my entire Sunday, but that's okay. I've been doing way better about taking some time off during the weekend. I'm pretty happy about it. It's mainly because of Ozzy, if we're being honest. but I have been doing better about it, so I won't need a ton of room on Sunday. I did cut a bit today. It is currently Sunday, but then Ozzy and I went to Mom's. But I don't think I worked at all on Saturday. I don't think so. I should also mention, I'm gonna be planning for this coming week. Normally when I do B6, it's for the week that has just passed, but I think for right now, I just wanna do the week that's coming up. This past week was just a lot of getting through mystery kits, or not mystery kits, what am I saying? Anniversary kits and harvest kits. And this coming week, I have a pretty good idea of what's going on. Okay, so we've got the date covers down. Everything else on here is icons and scripts. So I think the next thing that I'm going to do is a row of glitter headers at the top. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed you guys through that. Okay, so I've got my glitter headers down, and the next thing that I wanna do is my full boxes. So I wanna make sure that the one on Saturday is sitting at the end of this line and then kind of go across from there. So I want to do this, I know I want this one at the very end, and then I will put the rest of them on my hand so I can kind of figure out exactly where I want them. I want to space out, I know I want this one in the center, and then I think I'll do, trying to space out the way that the lines are done. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. So, one for right here. And actually, I'm just gonna use all of the ones that have foiling, I think. But I wanna move those. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try to line these up the best that I can. Well, that was way off. Oh, but that's okay. And no, it's down, too late. I really dislike using undo. If you watch my channel, you know that. So I'm just gonna leave them, they're okay. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put a row of glitter headers underneath all of these full boxes, and I'm gonna skip you guys through that, and then I'm also gonna zoom you guys on in. Okay, now that we're up super close, the next thing that I want to do, I think I'm gonna do little things first. So I'm gonna go all the way down to the bottom, and I wanna go ahead and put in a dinner little thing on each day. See, but this kind of messes up Saturday and Sunday. So I'm gonna put this all the way at the very bottom so that it's right on top of that bottom washi, or washi strip, I guess I should say. And for Saturday and Sunday, I don't know if I should just, well, see, because I need one here. So I guess Saturday's not getting one. That's so weird. I really need to think about that before I do it. Anyway, on top of those, there are some things I want to put in. So like on Monday, I'm going to use the TV/computer icon. I use it for uploads or just for anything kind of computer related. I'm so crooked right here, but so I'm gonna put that up for the vlog. On Tuesday, that's probably when this video will go up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right here. Also, those are way off. Moving over to Wednesday, I don't need one, but Thursday I do because the new release video goes up. So I'm gonna put that down. On Wednesday, I think I will put in just a, let's see. Let's just do a shipping box because I'm pretty sure that's when my bench from Pier 1 will be here. And then on Friday, a laundry basket works. So actually, let's use this bow. I love these in the B6 kits. So I'm gonna use this little bow, and it can just be for laundry or for whatever ends up happening. Okay, Oh, do I need, no, I'm gonna leave Sunday blank other than the dinner. So up top, I wanna do, I guess, appointment labels, and I'm just gonna rotate between the larger ones and the smaller ones. So we'll do a larger one on Monday, smaller one on Tuesday. And I just like to use these for when mom works. Do another larger one on Wednesday. This isn't gonna work at all, is it? Maybe it will. Smaller on Thursday. Yeah, actually, I think, well, we need to do a different color, but it will work out. And then I'm gonna do the last larger one on Friday. And then I don't need one on Saturday because mom won't be working on Saturday. And then I think what I wanna do is actually another row of glitter headers just on top of these full boxes because I can't really fit anything else in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and speed you guys on through. Okay, so I got those down and I really love how that looks. So I'm gonna move down to the bottom. I could do a row of glitter headers on top of these, but I don't know that I think that it's necessary, at least not right this second. Maybe I will, depending on how much space I've got when I'm done. So on Monday, I've got some things that need to be shipped out. Well, actually, I've got orders that need to be shipped out too, but I've got some freebies that I need to send. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these pretty labels, as well as just this little like gift package icon. And then underneath that, we're gonna be mass printing a lot. I've got this down here for the vlog, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and stick in a, what do we wanna do? Maybe a glitter, yeah, let's do that. A glitter quarter box. And I'll probably just leave it blank. So moving on to Tuesday, let's see, we need to start on September mystery kits, but also on restocks. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a label in right there. And then underneath, I'm gonna go ahead and put in a movie marquee because it is girls' night. So I'm gonna do a marquee with the wine glass icon. And that will be for girls' night. Moving over to Wednesday, I need to finish up the PR freebies. Those needed to be done last week, but I ended up not being able to get through them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. And I will put in just an alarm clock icon. And then down in the bottom, I think we're just going to be, on Wednesday, I need to probably finish up some design stuff, but we're gonna be mass printing. Actually, I don't want two of those right side by side. So we are going to be doing some mass printing. Wrong color. Let's do this one. That works. Okay, so moving on to Thursday. That is the day that I try to, well, not try to, I get all of the listings done. Test prints, anything like that. A lot of the times the test prints actually end up getting done Wednesday night. But just in case, I'm gonna go ahead and put that label in for that there. And then underneath that, I'm just going to go ahead and put in a marquee, and that can be for like either the upload, it could be for the listing photos. I actually have a camera icon that I'm gonna go ahead and put down there. So that can be for that. Moving on to Friday, that is new release day. So I'm gonna take this really pretty half box right here and go ahead and put that in. And then I wanna take this last appointment label and I'm gonna stick that in right above my little things. The newsletter gets drafted on Thursday, but it ships. It goes out on Friday. So I just wanna write in that the newsletter will be going out. And then up here on Saturday, I just wanna take another one of these pretty labels and I will figure out what to use it for, what I find to be the most important thing on Saturday. And then down here on Sunday, I'm gonna take the last pretty label, which is a bit skinnier than these right here. You guys can see, these are much smaller. So I'm gonna take one of each and just kind of put that in. So I'm gonna put the small one up top and then the larger one at the bottom. And Sunday I will be filming. I don't think I have anything for that. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is just put in the heart on Sunday and that can be for filming. Yeah, that works. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you guys back out. I feel like that was probably the shortest plan with me of all time, but I did just film this back to back with my Erin Condren one. So let me take this off. This is the finished spread. I am in the kitchen, so the lighting is a bit weird. But yeah, I actually really love how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys next time.